this valley of test, and I've never been a week caught in the wilderness. The power of God preserves I, guiding in all I do. So treading through the heights and the depths, we trample frustration and we conquer stress. The power of God preserves I, and guides in all I do. So all the evils that mean me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic works perform shall prosper. Yeah, I tell you of your hand the science man come, 'cause him can't squeeze the lion palm. No demonic works performed shall prosper. The wages of blessing is ever living a life, so we keep our meditation in high. We'll weather the storm and put up a fight, 'cause we can do anything. And should you feel like giving up, let the strength of your ancestors fill your cup. The power of God preserves I, and guides in all I do. So all the evils that mean me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic words perform shall prosper. Yeah, I tell you of your hand the science man come, 'cause him can't squeeze the lion palm. Can't touch a lion, so strong. Roaring lion. And the more them a aisle up, at the more them business wild up. Yes, the more them come with science, no them can't break the heart of a lion. The more them a aisle up, at the more them business wild up. The power of God preserves I, and guides in all I do. So all the evils that mean me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic works perform shall prosper. Yeah, I tell you, I'm the science man come, 'cause him can't squeeze the lion palm. No demonic works performed shall prosper.
They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown. Oh, Jah bless, I say no man curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found no weapon, just only a draw first. But I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. When they come with their evil thoughts, I just assume whenever they talk. That is the light into my dark. He cut and clear all my faults. They fight me without a cause, trying to make my life so hard. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, give it all reward. I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. So down to mix me up in your dirty game. You're only trying to tarnish my name. You're only looking for the innocent to blame. When you're the ones who wish the guns down the lane. You only cause destruction and the pain. But the righteous believes in the rain. Love is all I got to give and I'm not to shine. Looking for the future, the Slayer can't tame. Cause I'm so solid as a rock and they just can't stop me now. Even when they send their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. So they can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown. Coming for the food, I might not come yet on my brain. Coming for my food, I might not come yet on my brain. I need to know my food better, you get out of my way. Get out of my way better, you. Guess who's coming to dinner? You better have my food there. Guess who's coming to dinner? Too long we hungry, that can't work.
Hey, I come to mash up the place. Nobody taking my space.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't know the risk that we take just to put food on the plate.
Oh no.
Hit no Sunday today, lightning and tender earthquake.
Yeah, yeah.
Think you can walk in my shoes, man? You can't even tie the laces, man. Hungry, hungry soon turn to anger, then anger turn to danger. Hey, me no want nobody come and tell me about my temper. No retreat, no surrender. You sit on your veranda and think it's cool. Forget I used to suffer well.
Guess who's coming to dinner?
Yeah. Everywhere in the world, everybody need food. God for fire.
Who's coming to dinner?
Ever get on youth where you plan for shoot? You don't know nothing but pain. You never walk through the flame.
Oh no.
You never fend for yourself. That's a shame. Well, I never wanted a silver spoon engraved with my name.
Oh no.
Watch the lion in the zoo. Him not tame, man hungry. Hungry soon turn to anger. When anger turn to danger. Hey, me no want nobody come and tell me about my temper. Hot colder than December. And yes, me do remember those hopeless nights alone without no stop, no stop, no.
Guess who's coming to dinner? That's Jada. Guess who's coming to dinner? That's Jada. Oh, I can see you brought some herb for me, that's Jada. And Rash Daniel and I have been because you are coming over the hills. Seeing time like this, we must live as one. So the book of rule shall stand. Love, guess who's coming to dinner? That's Jada. Guess who's coming to dinner? That's Jada. So let's give thanks and praise, Natty Jada. I appreciate the herb you brought for me, Natty Jada. Now the things and time have changed. Suffering made me realize what it takes, and that how to be an attitude. Guess who's coming to dinner? Attitude.
Look how long me up it. Me a whip on my turn. Babylon get burned. Cause the life will get turned. No stop, full stop. Cause we heading to the top. Well, now guess who's coming? Rise, naughty, rise, yeah. No got that ready, got that. Oh, yeah. Rise, natty, rise, yeah. No got that bingy, got that. Oh. Rise, natty, rise, yeah. No got that ready, got that. Oh, yeah. Rise, natty, rise, yeah. No got that bingy, got that. Oh, try to shoot the valley of deception, yeah. Jah is my guide and my shield, yeah. Protecting us from all them evil, yeah. See about them dirty people, yeah. Iniquity, you know that it's real in air. The test is on the battlefield, yeah. Well, Jah will never let his children fail. He will always be around, yeah. Well, rise, natty, rise, yeah. No God that ready, God there. Oh, well. Rise, natty, rise, yeah. No God that bingy, God there. Oh, well. Rise, natty, rise, yeah. No God that ready, God there. Oh, well. No rise, natty, rise, yeah. No God that jummy, God there. Oh, well. Rise, natty, rise, 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 yeah. Look how long me a wait. Me a wait for me turn. Babylon get burned. Cause the life when you turn. No stop, full stop. Cause we getting to the top. Well, now guess who's coming? Rise, natty, rise, yeah. Now come that ready, got them. Oh, well. Rise, natty, rise. Like why I tell them. Got that ready, got them, Lord. Rise, natty, rise. Now got that ready, got them. Oh, yeah. Rise, natty, rise.
They got the job to do, and they got to fulfill that mission. To see is heard would be their greatest ambition. But we will survive in this world of competition. Cause no matter what they do, Natty keep on coming true. And no matter what they say, hey, Dread it every day. Hey, Natty Dread rise again. Through the powers of tomorrow, Natty Dread rise again. Have no fear, have no sorrow, yeah. All in all you see I want is the fight against the Rasta man. And so they build a world in great confusion, to forcing us the devil's illusion. But the stone that the builder refused shall be the head cornerstone. And no matter what games they play, we got something they can never take away. We got something they can never take away. It's the fire, fire, that burning down every day. Fire, fire, only the birds got their wings, yeah. No time to be deceived. Brothers, you should know and not believe. They say this judgment would never be with water. No water can put out this fire. The fire, the fire, the fire. Yakayo. So right, Natty, right. Tell you what, now the fire's out of control. Panic in the city, wicked weeping for their gold. Everywhere the fire is burning, destroying and melting their gold, destroying and wasting their soul. So ride, Natty, ride. Him go the jetty, got the. You what? Now the people gather on the beach, and their leader tried to make a speech, but the residents tell him that it's too late.
Rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you. Oh, yeah. Rise to the occasion. Go ahead, you know you're strong. No one can stop you. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal. It's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal. It's alright. Yeah, yeah. Some people read and meditate, others move scanty, yo. Some people are conscious about life, others are still panting, yo. Some people like strong drink, cognac, champagne and brandy, yo. Babies love ice cream and cake and candy, yo. I love herbs and girls with words, roots and a shanty, yo. Girls love clothes and shoes, going to school brand new and a meat spanking, yo. Yes, we all need education because that's the damn thing, yo. All things fade, living it standing. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal. It's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal. It's alright. Fulfill your needs.
From the day my born when it done this, I call out the first. I know last. So it's because of the search. Black woman and child, you, yeah, yeah, yeah. For you I really have so much love. Dollar bills and coins will fade away. Could never make I so proud. Oh, yeah. Black woman and child, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. For you I got so much love. Oh, dollar bills and coins will fade away. They could never make I proud. Alone, motherland Africa still remains so fine. Empresses and emperors living from in those times. I know you're the first to give birth and took mankind. Now let me say you're the hurt, being Omega's divine. Yeah. Take out to die and I give thy praise. That's where my covenant will be always. How have you been going through those stages? I've been away for many days. Love, woman and child, you, yeah, yeah, yeah. For you I really have so much love. Dollar bills and kinds will fade away. Only you could make I proud. Yeah. Black woman and child, you, yeah, yeah, yeah. For you I really have so much love. Dollar bills and kinds will fade away. Can never yet make I proud. Hard grounds, no sound from the suffering. Who collect the pound to keep them bound from the uprising. Hey, hard ground, cold ground from the suffering. Hey, them bound we about, so we down yet we still striving again. Hard grounds, no sound for the suffering. Who collect the pound to keep them bound from the uprising. Hey, hard ground, cold ground for the suffering. Yo, them bounce about, so we down yet we still striving. Hey, then I hope you get a youth gun for them roam on the street every day and night. Check out we trade and answer them turn me a turn us a trigger happy ever want strive. Enough about 3 too late figure flee by chance if I keep all your life before the day could done. Enough of them gone, stop all the war and strife. Where are the so-called leaders who pollute and corrupt all the place? Yo, the nowadays bleeders, backdoor dealers who put the youth them to waste. The devil's receivers are always the teachers, step on the things them create. Whoa, strife now, me sister that Babylon a fake. Hard ground, cold ground for the suffering. Who collect the pound to keep them bound from the uprising? You ain't hard ground, cold ground for the suffering. Yo, them bound we about, so we down yet we keep striving again. Hard ground, cold ground for the suffering. Who collect the pound to keep them bound from the uprising? Hey, hard ground, cold ground for the suffering. Yo, the bounce us about till you get a you keep striving. Their feelings manifest what is so real. Hoping not for the innocent, but who shall we truly feel? I can see outpouring what it's not concealed. Crying for equal rights and justice, not because I know they don't know where they're going. know Rastafari, them see and know everything. Hey, they go confused within this modern system. You've received the price. Was it rewarding? Hard ground, cold ground for the suffering. Who collect the pound to keep them bound from the uprising? Hey, hard ground, cold ground for the suffering. Hey, the bounce us about till they get the youth keep striving. Hey, how many arm alone with mother and child yet for the missing? Man, stand up and play your role. Me have to do my own, can't do it for him. Have you ever heard the cries of boys and girls every time when hungry I ring? Dear school mama, everyone know why she alone have to do the juggling. Yeah, some guys organize and I make beer nice and not one thing them a bring. Mama well qualified education, all rights for her way, not a job can swing. When she touch one verse and look on the face, stress keep on coming. Is a heavy piece of winter, she can push all the gate like the struggling just begin.
From jungle to Rima, from Tivoli to Matthews Lane. Hey. From Waterhouse to Jerusalem, from Painland to Delacre.
All you can do fi have a plan and have some ambition. And make sure who know firm in the Yamagidian. So when you son become a man, him know just where you stand. Him know him Papa said it, so him follow tradition. If Marcus Garvey say fi read, then where some man a pray. Can knowledge a the key and it we set the people free. And highly high philosophy is African unity. Who know what just segregation and social impurity. The race is not just for the swift, but those who can endure. Make sure you have a steady footing in a Zion door. And keep your thoughts pure. Your love is for the poor. But some little boy about some gun them mama can't afford. If just a blood will run, the ledger will be done. The heaven and the earth will pass away before him word no come. But if it rise without a cost, there will be no reward for you to enter Zion gates because you are a fraud.
For the youths in the struggle, ooh yeah, fighting guerrilla warfare. Hey. Somalia to Ethiopia, from Egypt to Zimbabwe.
There's music in your soul, minerals in your soil. Children full of beauty, worth way much more than oil. While history unfolds, don't let a good thing spoil. Oh no, no.
I apologize. Seeing the crime rate rising infinite. Everywhere people around me, I drop like fly, yet I live in it. I look to the sky and ask Almighty, when will it finish? Is this a sign of the last days, the last few minutes? Cause the land overrun with knives and guns and murderous gimmicks. Good people are run wild, bad people must murderous limits. I keep my faith and wait cause I know evil can't win it. But this is not the time and the place for the punks and timid. In a world that's supposed to be peaceful, every little youth and killer. None of them have respect for the laws of land, them a real blood spiller. Them forgot when the parents lay them down on the beds and pillow. Saints and grow up to be a good boy, but them get bigger and pull trigger. Every question gunshot is the answer, well go figure. Them the one to dig deep in the heart, searching for the goodness like an oil rigger. Be a grave digger, well this message from Country Garland and the one Gongzilla. Almighty Father is telling you, hey!
There's music in your soul, minerals in your soil. Children full of beauty, worth way much more than oil. While history unfolds, don't let a good thing spoil. Oh no, no. Can I walk the savannah at least, buy my pullover in peace, without being trailed by a full detail of 10 bodyguard and police? Must something in the island breeze, make violence spread like disease. Cause most juvenile guns out and wild with no respect for OGs.
Can I walk on a halfway tree with nobody else but me? With cash in a pocket and nobody a watch it and nobody a target me. Well, it must be the deep blue seas that spread to the bun and the cheese that make everybody up in the islands want grab up something and squeeze.
Can't imagine how the store them sharp. Man, I hunt for the bacon shark. Should I heed advice when the place did nice better before the whole thing start? Now every man stop take talk, and every man start think dark. Out in the street, blood spray like paint when Juvie a man in car.
Long time Kingston tell we to put down the gun from Port of Spain to Hellshire. Don't get caught up making people head roll round like Michelin tire. From grandmother all and grandson of all, your soul going to burn in fire. Don't let them get your life and draw your soul like it's a fire.
How can you be sitting there telling me that you care? That you care. When every time I look around, the people suffer in the suffering in every way. In every way.
Black survivor.
No, 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 no. We're the survivors. Yeah, the black survivors. I tell you what, some people got everything. Some people got nothing. Some people got hopes and dreams. Some people have ways and means. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah. We're the survivors. Yeah, the black survivors. We're the survivors. Yeah, the black survivors.
Ow, 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 ow. We're the survivor. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. We're the survivor.
When I talk about fight, then I talk about me. Born survivor from in my mother belly. Broke barriers, revolutionary. Yeah, that's my mentality. Can't hold me down with slavery. Like the great Bob Marley, me emancipated, not incarcerated. Can't let me down with Central Park for exonerated. When me elevated, yo. I just the mindset of a black woman. Me say loud and proud, but I'm for me, yeah, man. Yeah, look how my good means a soul survivor. So them send for the bad guy to build up this life.
Yeah, watch you now.
We're the survivor.
Hey, follow me now. Are you gonna? Hey, I'm a survivor. I'm a hunting like a tiger. Dexterity like a spider. In the street survivor like a busman or a taxi driver. I better yet a young rider. Cause you have skiller than MacGyver to survive them tiger. Hey, watch your style ya. Enough of them juvenile ya. Them out them kind. Young and restless, running breathless like a quarter miler. A ton provider can't depend for boil ya. We lay the tracks like how them lay them tile ya.
Black survivor.
No, 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 no. We're the survivors. The black survivors.
For generations, they had us focused on elocution. That was a distraction, so we wouldn't notice the many intrusions. But Bob Marley done give it a soundtrack for the revolution. And now we load up, ready for burn the road up, create solutions. Not only outrun them, we outsmart